My name is Vinod Kaul. I am the head HR for NIDEC India Private Limited. We had this groundbreaking ceremony. I was just looking for the event management partners. So I found this skill event agency through internet. I was impressed with their presentations on there. I'm highly impressed with their work, their teamwork, their coordination, their leadership. This event was very successful.
Till now I have done multiple events, but in this event I can especially say with the skill events, they help me with the visualization of each and everything with complete details. So that was the key point. The confidence you guys has given on each and every front. If we have discussed something, that would be for sure deliver.
Especially setup which they had made. The stages, the gates, the banners, the artwork was fabulous. What I found good in skill event is that it's a technology based. So I found it much better as compared to other event management companies.
The best part is we were having enough time, because in past events I faced this issue that at last moment I have to do some firefightings. But we have done everything set up well in advance so that I will be in the safe space, and we have done a complete Reiki, complete production. After that we done complete trials, and I was in a foolproof stage that I will not face any issue at the event.
The setup it was mostly digitalized. Signages or banners, those digital way to high tea area, way to groundbreaking ceremony, those digitalized were much better. And in future I hope we'll again work with you. I want all these view cutters and octanorm walls all digitalized.
Overall experience was very nice, and I would always prefer and suggest skills events for my other group companies or my friends or my nearby companies.